I wish I had a lot of vocabulary. I would be speaking English language fluently and effortlessly without fumbling. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. See what happened, my friend, as we know that vocabulary plays the pivotal role in order to speak English language fluently and effortlessly, right? So we have got one work here. We need to improve our vocabulary, right? We need to enrich our vocab power. And how can we do it? If we learn every single day, right? No matter how many vocabulary we are learning, but every single day we should try to learn some new words so that we can enrich our vocab power and we can speak this language fluently and effortlessly, right? So there is one problem that whenever we try to learn new words, then we forget. So how can we remember them for a long time? My friend, I have also experienced it. I come across many vocabulary in a day while watching, while reading, but I can't remember all of them. There is one technique also which we can apply to remember them for a long period of time. That is writing them down and revising them and using them. And there is one thing, my friend, if we make a story with the help of those vocabulary, we can remember them for a long period of time. If you make sentences, that's okay. But if you just watch them or read a lot of vocabulary and then just for 1 day, 2 day you will remember, and after that day you may forget also. So there is no use of your hard work, right? If we are doing hard work, we have to put little more extra effort so that we can remember them for a long time. Why? Because we have to speak English language fluently, right? That is why what I do now, whenever I learn new vocabulary, I make story, and you can also try it. If it doesn't work on you, then leave it. But if it start working on you, then my friend, go with this technique. Okay? See, as you have already come to know, vocabulary is most important part of speaking English language, right? As a beginner, what happened? We face a lot of challenges. First thing, vocabulary, okay, we learn few words, but after learning words, one problem comes, we don't know how to speak, right? We have to start speaking. But once we break that hurdle, we overcome of that problem, then this problem comes on our way. That is learning vocabulary. Why? Because learning words, we have to do always. It's not 1 day task, okay? Coming to learning grammar, I guess it takes only few weeks or few months. But coming to learning vocabulary, all learners may be doing this activity every single day to enrich their vocabulary so that they can speak English language fluently and effortlessly. So as we have already come to know about our problem, now we have to search the solution, right? So the solution here is you have to write them down and then revise them, and as many sentences as you can make, try to make by using those vocabulary. Then my friend, you won't forget them. There is one thing we can do for remembering the vocabulary for a long time: writing them down or creating a story. But what happened when we create a story, unknown story, the chances are we can forget. So we have to create a story related to us. I think it can retain for a long period of time in our mind, okay? That is why let's try to create a story on ourselves. Everyone has their own story, right? You may have also your own story. So try to write it down, or in your mind also you can make that story while using the word which you have read. It could be a sad word or happy words or any kind of words. You can make fake story also if it's possible, and use them as many times as possible, and then you will see, my friend, you won't forget them for a long time. But if you don't do this kind of activity, the chances are you will forget them. Your hard work which you did while watching videos, you wasted a lot of time while watching videos, because you wanted to learn new vocabulary, right? That is why that will be also wasted. Other thing, whatever you are reading, so that you can improve your vocabulary, that will be also wasted. But the thing is that if you do little bit intentionally, then you can get better result. There are a lot of people unconsciously they are learning, while watching, while reading, but something we have to do intentionally. Watching any video, forgetting vocabulary, and writing them down, making sentences, making a story. We have come to know this is the most important part of speaking this language. Why not working little hard so that we can speak very fluently? I've seen many people, they struggle while speaking because they don't have words. Even I also sometimes struggle. And not only sometimes, most of the time I struggle while speaking English because I lack words. In your case also you might be facing this problem. So let's try to solve it. Okay? Don't try to learn new vocabulary every single day, a lot of vocabulary. But what happened? We learn a lot of words every single day. But at the end of the day, we are unable to remember even a single word. Is it a good thing? No, I think we should stop doing this kind of activity. Just like we watch a lot of videos, but if someone asks us, what did you learn from that videos? We are unable to tell them. Why? Because we are not focused, So we have to stop such activity so that we can learn fast way. So this is what I wanted to share with you. My friend, try to create a story, try to write them down, try to revise them, try to use them while speaking. This is the way to learn vocabulary. Last but not the least, it takes time to improve our English. So don't lose your patience. Just be optimistic and speak this language fluently and effortlessly. This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.